Hello everyone, today I'm gonna solve a problem from transportation. Let's read the problem. An equal tangent vertical curve has the following data. Station 30, elevation of PVI 200, back tangent minus 600, forward tangent 4%, and curve length is 800. The question is find the curve elevation at station 31. So let's draw the curve, how it looks like. Let's start from the grade. It is the first grade, or G1 is minus 6. It means it's downgrade, something like this. It is 6%, minus 6%, and then it's 4%, which is G2, 4%. Okay, let's say this is the curve. Okay, how much is the length of the curve? The length of the curve is 800. Okay, this point is PVC. Okay, this point is PVC, and this is PVI, and this is PVT. So it says the horizontal distance of the PVI is 3000 or 30 plus 00, and the elevation is from a datum. Elevation of a PVI is 200. It's right here. Okay, what's the question? It's asked, this is, if this is 30, let's say for example this is 31, this is 30, this is 31. They ask us to find the elevation of this point, elevation of the curve at the point at the station 3100 or 31 plus 00. How you find it? If you go at the FE reference manual, they'll give you this formula for the curve elevation. Okay, YPVC, which is this distance, they call it YPVC, or the elevation of the PVC point PVC from the datum. Okay, this is the datum, plus G1x plus AX square. What is G1? Minus 6%. How we find A? A is the calculation of, let's find, we need this all of the information for this formula. So let's start from the A. For example, you can find any of them. So let's find A. A is G2 minus G1 over 2L. G2 is 0.04 minus, which is 4%, minus 0.06 to 800. If you calculate it, you will find A 6.25 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 5. So we found A. What is X? How we found X? X is from the station 31 to the PVC. This distance is X. From station 31 to PVC. How we find it? If we have the station of PVC, okay, the difference between a station of PVC and 31, we will find X. So how you find the station of PVC? We know that this is PVI. The station of PVI we have. From the station of PVI to the PVC, it's L over 2. Okay. If we have this, L over 2 is, the L is 800, it is 400. So a station of PVC, if we find it, it is 33,000, which is the station of PVI. If we minus it for 400 from it, we will find the station of PVC. It is 400, so we got R 26 plus 00. So we find the station of PVC 26 plus. So now the difference between 2100 and 2600 is X. 3100 and 2600 is X. So 3100 minus 2600, we got 500. So we found A, we found X, and what else we need? We need to find Y PVC, or elevation of the PVC, to find our problem. How we find this? If you look at this diagram, we know the distance, the vertical distance from datum to point PVI. We have it. The elevation is 200. So what else we need? We need only this vertical distance. Okay, we call that H1. If we find H1 and add it with 200, we will find the PVC, which is PVC. Okay, Y PVC is, let's say, 200, which is this distance, plus H1. How we find H1? If you look at it here, look at this triangle. Okay, this is H1. Okay, this is theta, and this is the slope, which is minus 0.06. okay, we have the slope 0.6, which is tangent. Slope is equal to tangent. What's tangent? H1 over 400. H1 over 400. So what's H1? It is 24 feet, if you calculate this. So we have found Y PVC. 200 plus 24 is 224 feet. So we got everything, and now we put everything in this formula. Curve elevation. How much we got? The elevation of the PVC, it is 224 plus, how much is G1? It's minus 0.06. How much is X? It's 500. Okay, plus, I'll write it here. How much we got? A, we got A 6.25 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 5, and we got X square. And if you calculate this, you will find 263 feet, which is the curve elevation, and option B is correct. Thanks for watching.